Good morning, students. Let's start today's class. Dear student, today we are going to see chapter 8, that is festivals and celebrations. Festivals and celebrations. In this lesson, we will study about different types of festival of India. For example, national festivals. Some national festivals are there. Religious festivals. Some religious festivals are there, and then after we will see the harvest festival. So having all these festivals, India is called land of festival. India is a land of festival because many festivals are there to celebrate, that we celebrate in our country. So it is called, India is called a land of festivals. Festivals are a time for joy and celebrations. What are festivals? Festivals are for joy and celebration. On this day, we enjoy the day and we celebrate the moment that we are enjoying. Types of festivals. In types of festivals, three types are there of festivals, that are national festivals. National festival is related with nation, our India. We celebrate this festival on account of memory, on account of any special achievement that we gain. And in religious, different types, as you know, different types of religions are there in India, and different types of having different types of religion. Many festivals are there according to religion. So we have religious festivals, and next is harvest festival. Yes, student, harvesting means when we cut our crop. This is the time for joy and happiness because for a long time, for the wait of a long time, we cut our crop and we harvest our crop at this time. So we celebrate this time as a joy and happiness, and this festival is called harvest festival. So my dear student, today we will see national festivals, means Rashtriya Tevhar. In national festival, first of all we will see Republic Day. Republic Day, this is the first festival when our year started. When our year start, this is the first festival of the year, first national festival of the year, that is called Republic Day. Republic Day celebrated on 26th of January every year. Every year we celebrate this festival. On this day, in the year 1950, the laws of our country or our constitution come into force. Means from this day, our constitution implemented and come into force. On every Republic Day, a grand parade is held at Rajpath in New Delhi. In New Delhi, in Rajpath, parade, grand parade held in each and every day, every year on this day. So you can see here about the Republic Day. In the rest of the country, parades are held in the state capitals. Yes, student. Each and every state have parade to celebrate this national festival, that is Republic Day, and then after we celebrate in national festival that is called Independence Day. Dear student, as I told you, each and every festival have some importance, have some achievement, have some good news for us. So that's why we celebrate and we enjoy the festivals. We enjoy that moment, but we say that we are enjoying festival. So it's our second and important national festival of our country. 15 August is celebrated as Independence Day. On this day, in the year 1947, India became a free country. We are, as you know, we are slave in our previous time. After the slavery of 200 years, we got freedom from Britishers. So this day is celebrated as Independence Day. On this day, what we do, and in the year 1947, this was the day when we got independence and India became a free country. We got freedom and we got freedom from slavery also. Before this, the British ruled over India. Before this date, that is 15 August 1947, before this date, we are all slave. So, because of a lot of trouble and a lot of problem that we face when we are slave of Britishers, that was very hard time. As we know, टाइम पासेस, समय बीत जाता है कैसा भी हो। तो बेटा हम लोग अपने समय में आज़ादी के लिए बहुत, हमारे देश के जो नेता हैं, बहुत सारे क्रांतिकारी हैं, दे डू अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क एंड दे sacrifices their lives for the country and got freedom. This was the day when we celebrate and we got independence. That was the day when we got independence, and we celebrate this day every year for our independence. So it is called a national festival. We celebrate this day every year. The Prime Minister hosts the national flag at the Red Fort in New Delhi and gives a speech. Our Prime Minister on this day host means होता है बेटा झंडा फहराना, host the national flag at the Red Fort in New Delhi and gives a speech. A speech is delivered by our Prime Minister on this day from the Red Fort. Next is our next festival is, dear student, we got the freedom. A lot of efforts are there, a lot of problem faces by the peoples and our leaders. Among all leaders, one famous leader is there who devote his life and who take the people of India as their children. So the name of that person is Gandhiji. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti to remember his effort, to remember his trouble that he got in the journey of freedom. So, Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, was born on 2nd October. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, born on 2nd October. He led the Indians. He led the Indians in their fight for freedom from the British rule. Yes, student, he sacrificed his life and he forget all the peace and rest, and continuously he done a lot of work for us to make us free from the Britishers' rule. We fondly call him Bapu and celebrate his birthday as Gandhi Jayanti. Yes, student, we feel, we say, and Gandhiji also called father of the nation. Why father of the nation? Dear student, if we know, if our father is there, we are free from each and every problem. No need to worry about any problem if father is there. In the same way, Gandhiji take us as children and he do a lot of work to make us happy and free. That's why whole country, the people of our country, give them title the father of the nation, and we call Gandhiji as the father of nation. So it's all about our today's class, and we saw today national festival of our country, and tomorrow we will see religious and harvest festival of our country. Yes, student, our country India is called the land of festivals, where a lot of enjoyment and a lot of thing to celebrate. We celebrate our each and every moment that we enjoy. That's all called festival. And I hope you will be fine and safe at your home. My dear student, keep on watching my video and read the lesson many times. Do comment in comment box and prepare yourself for the half yearly exam. Enjoy your day and have a nice day. Thank you.